As an Israeli doctor, I ask, why is Israel abducting, imprisoning, and torturing my Palestinian colleagues? On February 15, 2024, Israeli forces raided Nasser Hospital, Gaza's largest medical center. They forced all patients to evacuate and arrested many healthcare personnel. 7 doctors from Nasser are still imprisoned in Israel, without charges, without trials, without even knowing what they're accused of. As many testimonies have shown, these prisons are torture camps. Prisoners are beaten daily, denied food, medicine, and proper hygiene. They have no contact with their families for months on end, and every 6 months their detention is extended with no proper trial and no legal representation. No human being should suffer such horrific abuse, let alone doctors who have devoted their lives to healing, even under the direst circumstances. Today, 95 Palestinian healthcare workers are unlawfully held in Israeli detention camps, including 19 physicians. These are my colleagues, and they are held hostages by the Israeli government. I urge global medical organizations and fellow physicians to speak out and demand the immediate release of all captive healthcare workers.